We'll start by washing a potato under cold tap water. Then we'll fill a pot with water. It can be cold or hot water. Turn on the stove, place the pot on the burner, then put the potato inside the pot. Putting a lid on the pot will make the water boil more quickly. Once that's boiling, you can reduce the temperature a little bit. You'll want to let it cook for between 10 and 20 minutes, depending on how thick your potato is. You can check it every now and then with a fork. Once it's tender all the way through, it's done. That's not quite done yet. If too much water boils off, you can add more hot water. We'll just check it again here. Seems like it still needs a few more minutes. It's been around 15 minutes now, so I'm going to test it again. And that feels pretty tender. So I'm going to place it on a plate and turn off the stove. Then you can cut it open, sprinkle on some salt, a little bit of butter, and some pepper. And that's all there is to making a potato.